I created this viral matchsticks video using only free AI tools, just like we do in most of our videos. So here's exactly how I did it. To create videos like this, you can get the ultimate master prompt from the description, and you can also download the direct reference image from our WhatsApp channel. Now simply go to Grok AI, which is a completely free AI tool. Upload your reference image there and write, "I want a similar image like this," and just enter the animal you want to create. This exact message is also available in our WhatsApp channel, so you don't have to think about anything. Now just give the name of the animal, and Grok AI will generate multiple images for you. Select the one you like the most. After that, click on Custom Video, paste the prompt, and wait for a few seconds. Your video will be ready. You can repeat the same process to create unlimited scenes, and every result will be different. Now just combine all the clips, do a little editing, and your viral short is ready. And if you want the master prompt and all resources, check the description or just comment prompt. I'll send it to you.